This is not a baby book, Cameron. That is how we got the friends. The baseball team, and such. The end.
That was wonderful, Lane.
Now me and Chipman have to have a talk. I guess I don't have to have a talk. The talk is about... Cameron's a good stinker. Mom, Cameron's a good...
She is a good stinker, you're right.
Billy's a bad stinker.
You're right, Lainey. You got it all figured out.
Daddy, Lainey, Mommy, we are not stinkers. Only Cameron and Bailey are stinkers.
Why are they the stinkers?
Yes, look. They're both brown.
Oh.
When they dress like brown, they